Irripod Plus is a flexible, cost-effective pipeline sprinkler irrigation system for pasture and forage crops. Designed to operate at low pressure, Irripod Plus distributes water on a slow absorption rate over a 12 to 24 hour period. Now this allows for effective absorption into the soil while eliminating pooling and runoff. The system only requires movement once every 12 to 24 hour period. Irripod Plus is a component system. It's simple to install and manage. It utilizes protective pod skid covers over sprinklers that are attached to an irrigation pipeline. Irripod Plus can be configured to suit individual requirements dependent on application rates, the distance to be irrigated, and the rotation intervals appropriate for the situation. Each Irripod irrigation line can be customized to suit varying paddock sizes and shapes while also accommodating existing obstructions. Irripod irrigation lines are strong, lightweight and flexible, easily moved while the system's operating by attaching the lines to an ATV or farm vehicle. The flexibility of Irripod Plus means the system can be configured for many different end users in addition to traditional pasture and forage crop irrigation. These include golf courses, sports fields and racetracks.